Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I want to show you how you can create your own Wi-Fi heat map, just like this one. And the best part is, it's all for free. So let's just jump right in. This video I'm going to cover how you can do that on Windows. Obviously you need a Windows laptop for that, with Wi-Fi connection, because you need to move around your house. And it would also be great if you have a map for your house. You can create your own map on this site, but then you need to measure all your rooms. So it would be very helpful if you have an existing map of your rooms, just like I have this one. So you need a program for that, obviously, and that's called the Ekahau HeatMapper. It's free and you need just to register for it. You need to fill in your correct email address, because that is where you get sent the download link. So once it's installed, you just open your map file and then you click where you currently are, and then you click where you're going at. With right clicking you can stop your current movement and start from a different position. That's useful if you have different rooms and you don't want to connect all your walking lines. Also, when you right click, all your currently made nodes are getting calculated and you see the current state of the heat map. So you just have to go around all your house. The more nodes you make, the better. So you can see here, this one room in the house has very little Wi-Fi signal. You can see that because the map is orange. Also, it calculates where the router should be according to the measurements. One final tip I can give you is walk around the house for one time, and then you can see, for example, where in your garden there is Wi-Fi signal. If you want to go with your phone outside or something like that, because the program calculates how the signal would transfer over time. Yeah, so this was the video for Windows. If you want to know how you can do that with your Android phone, just subscribe to the channel. I will cover that in a few days. And until then, have a great day.